Right. Good morning, everyone. Online students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond in the chat, guys. Online students, please check. Feel free, please check. Can you respond in the chat for me? Please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond in the chat, guys. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. Very good morning, guys. Very good morning. All right. So let us start our today's session. So, guys, yes, before starting our today's sessions, yes, I know that you are having a lot of doubts like what is this entire Java full stack developer course, how much time it is going to take, how many modules are there, how we need to learn, what is this placement sessions like when we will be getting placed. Yeah, I know you are having a lot of doubts are there related to this concept. So what I'm going to do now, first, let me explain you this entire scenario. What is this Java full stack developer course? What are the roles and responsibilities of a Java full stack developer? Why Java full stack developer is actually right, I mean, recently trending there. So I'm going to explain all this, and after that, I'll start with our core Java sessions also. Now, guys, online students, again, this is for you also, guys. I know you are having a lot of doubts are there, but kindly please wait till the session got completed. Okay. Once the session got completed, still, if your doubts are there, feel free to message me in the chat. Definitely, I love to address your queries. Okay. But until then, kindly please wait for it. Okay. Please wait. Just wait. Let me just try to continue our session. Then if your doubts are there, still you can ask me there. Is that okay, guys? For online students, please respond in the chat for me. Why? Because in the middle of the session, if you're asking me any question, like if I'm not responding, you'll think that sir is not responding. No, it's more like, our session will be disturbed. I don't want that to be happening. So I just want to get that clarity from you guys. Am I clear with that? Is that okay? Please respond in the chat for me, guys. Please respond in the chat for me. Perfect. That is perfect. That is perfect. All right. So let us start our today's session. So, guys, first things first. Our class timings will be like morning 9:15 to 11 o'clock. 9:15 to 11 o'clock. Maybe like 5-10 minutes on that particular range. I'm going to start 9:15. Am I clear with that? Okay, 9:15 to 11 o'clock. Please don't think like 9 o'clock. No, 9:15. So please make sure to come as soon as possible. No problem. Why I'm saying this? Because like when I logged in today, a lot of people messaged me like, sir, how much time will session will start? Again, our session is going to start by 9:15 every day. 5 minutes less, more or less, just like that. Okay. Now, so guys, first things first. What is this Java full stack developer and what are the roles and responsibilities of a Java full stack developer? Why this is actually trending in the market? Let us just try to understand this first. Why? Because you should understand what are the responsibility, I mean, what are the roles and responsibility which you are supposed of. Like if you want to call yourselves as a Java full stack developer, what you need to do. So let me first try to explain you what is a Java full stack developer. Shall I? Come on. Okay. Now, so let us think that just a second. Okay. Now, let us think that we are having a simple Java project. Just a normal basic Java project. Okay. Sure. Why not? Just a second. Just a second. Just a second. Okay. Now, let us think that we are having a simple Java project. Fine. Now, do you know what? In order to create a Java project, okay, we need actually 5 persons. Just let me try to write like this. In order to create a simple Java project, we need 5 persons. Let me just try to keep it like this. Okay, enough. One, hang on. One, two, 3, 4, and one more, 5. 5, 5. Okay. We need 5 persons. Okay, sure. Now, first person, okay, he is responsible for writing the Java code. Okay, Java developer. First person, he is responsible for writing the Java code. Okay. Second person, he is responsible for designing the database. That is in simple, database designer. I'll explain you. I'll explain you. Database designer. Okay. Third person, he is responsible for designing the UI. Okay. UI designer. Right. UI designer. And fourth person, he is responsible for testing our project. So most commonly known as tester. All right. Tester. And finally, fifth person, he is responsible for building and deploying the project. Okay. That is actually known as build and deployment team. He will be present inside build and deployment team. Okay. Now let us get back here. So if, okay, just one more time, he is responsible for writing the Java code. He is responsible for designing the database. He is responsible for designing the UI. He is responsible for testing the project, and he is responsible for building and deploying the project. Okay. Now, guys, no need to write anything. No need to write anything. Just first listen. Just listen first. Okay. Now, Java developer. All right. If you are a Java developer, all right. If you are a Java developer, you are supposed to have an idea about core Java, advanced Java, and Spring framework. These are all the concepts which you are supposed to have an idea if you are a Java developer. Sir, what is core Java, advanced Java, Spring? Wait for it. I'll let you know. No issues. Okay. Database designer. When you're speaking about databases, guys, there are multiple, a lot of databases are there. For example, MySQL, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, NoSQL, Sysbase, MongoDB, like that, lot of databases are there. At least one database, you should be having a clear-cut idea. Means designing the tables, retrieving the values from the tables. For example, just for example, let me just try to go to Google, okay? And here I'm simply entering, let's go like Java Naresh IT, just like that. Java Naresh IT. Okay. We are getting our results, search results like this. Okay. Now, let me just try to copy it. I'm copying this entire URL, by the way. Okay. Entire URL. Let me open a small notepad, paste it, and now I'm going to remove all these. Just let us try to concentrate only on this one. Now, this is the query which I have entered. Query, search query. Are you understanding the point here, guys? Query means something like a question. I am asking the Google about this one. So whatever the query which I have entered, that query has been splitted into different keywords, and the best matched results related to these keywords has been displayed here. Okay, yeah, of course, we already know that. But where are these results? These results are present in a database, or else in simple, you can say that these results are present in a cloud. Are you understanding the point here, guys? Come on. So exactly the same in our projects also, exactly the same in our projects also. For example, okay, let's take e-commerce websites like Amazon, Flipkart, something like that. Okay. You will be entering your username and password. Once you enter your username and password, immediately you will be logged in into your account. Where these username and passwords are stored in a database. How they are checking? We need to retrieve the data from the database. Are you understanding the point here, guys? You need to respond, guys, please. So, what is the work of a database designer? He is supposed to design the database. How many tables we need to keep? How many rows we need to keep? What joins we need to use? How to retrieve the data from the database? All these things will be taken care by the database designer. If you are like a database designer, eyes on me, concentrate. Please concentrate. If you are like a database designer, you should be having an idea about at least one database. I mean, there are a lot of databases are there. Literally, lot of databases are there. Like as I said, MySQL, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, MongoDB, NoSQL. Lot of databases are there. At least one database you should be having an idea. Most preferably, Oracle, Oracle or MySQL means you should be having an idea how to create a table, how to pass the values into the table, how to retrieve the values from the table, all the queries, DDL, DML queries, commands, you should be having an idea. Okay. Now, UI designer. All right. Okay. UI designer. When you're speaking about UI, hang on. What do you mean by UI? UI means, come on, pretty obvious. User interface. Okay, what is this user interface? For example, let us just try to open our NareshIT.com or NareshIT website. And whenever we are opening our website, we are getting, see, these slide sheets, cascading slide sheets, and all these colors. And when I'm keeping my mouse here, my icon is getting zoomed in, zoomed out. Are you understanding the point here, guys? All these are known as UI designing. Okay, UI designer. What is the responsibility of a UI designer? UI designer is going to design the end product which a user will see. For example, take any website. Any website. So, as I said, right now I'm taking this website. All these colors and exactly the places, the spaces, and when I'm keeping the cursor here, all these drop down boxes, these are created by UI designers. Okay. If you are like a UI designer, you are supposed to have an idea about HTML 100%, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 100% you should be having a knowledge regarding this. Along with this, some other concepts are also there. You know, when you're speaking about UI technology, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, React, Angular, Bootstrap, all will be coming under UI only. But these three are mandatory. Pretty much damn sure mandatory. Without having a knowledge on these three, please don't expect to go for an interview. No, these are mandatory. Am I clear with that? You need to respond, guys. Guys, please, my session is like a one-to-one session. It's not like I'm only the person who is speaking. It's more like you also should respond. Please respond. Am I clear with this? So one more time I'm saying, when you are speaking about UI designer, these are, sir, are these enough? Not enough. These are mandatory. Along with these, remaining other concepts are also. If you are having other concepts are also, then that will be like a added advantage. Okay. Tester, right. Guys, listen to this very clearly. Testing will not be coming under development. Tester is actually not a developer. What he's going to do, he's going to check whether we have done the project according to the client requirements or not. It's too complicated. Okay, let me make it like this. Guys, a tester is always a best friend for client. Developer. We are the developers. Okay, we'll develop a project, and before getting the approval from the testing department, we should never send the code to the production. 100% we should be getting an approval from the testing department. Once as developers we completed our code, we'll give the code to the testing department. What they are going to do, they are going to test our project based on client requirements. For example, Just for example. Okay, here, just a sec. Let me. Okay. Here there is this form. Full name. We need to enter our name, email address, mobile number. We need to select all these, and we should press submit. Okay. Now my question is, right. Now my question is, mobile number. Generally in India, our mobile numbers, how many are there? Digits. How many digits are there? 10 digits. If we are entering 9 digits, and if you are giving a clicking on submit, if it is accepting, it is a bug. Are you getting the point here, guys? These kind of bugs will be identified by the testers. I just said a small example. That's it. Like that, these kind of bugs will be identified by the testing department. Am I clear with that? Respond. One more time, I'm saying testing will not be coming under development. That is completely different scenario. And if you are like a tester, you are supposed to have an idea about two things: manual testing, manual testing, and automation testing. Okay. Automation testing. Manual testing does not need any code, but right now it's outdated. Manual testing needs a code, but you should be having an idea about a separate tool known as Selenium. You are supposed to have an idea about this tool. Anyways, that is testing. One more time, I'm saying this: tester will not be coming under development. And finally, build and deployment team. Once we got the approval from the testing department, we need to upload our project to the cloud or else its particular domain. Whatever the domain which cloud is, I mean, which our client is having. It may be AWS or else it may be GoDaddy. Like that, there are different domains will be there. We need to upload our project to the cloud. In order to do that, we are supposed to have an idea about DevOps tools. These are mandatory. DevOps tools. Like if you want to upload your project to the cloud. Okay, now let's get back. One more time, I'm saying this. If you are if you want to create a Java project, these are all the 5% which we need. First person, he should be able to write the Java code, Java developer. Second person, he should be able to design the database. Third person, he should be able to design the UI. Fourth, testing. Obviously, we need a tester. And fifth person, you should be able to build and deploy the project. Okay. Now, if you are a Java developer, I repeat, if you are a Java developer, you are supposed to have a knowledge on core Java, advanced Java, and Spring. And your responsibility will be only up to writing the Java code. Dot. That's it. You will not take care about designing the database. You no need to worry about designing the web page, colors. No, not required. As a Java developer, you just need to write the business logic. That's it. Done. Okay. Coming to the database designer. If you are a database designer, you need to worry about designing the database. That's it. Once your work is completed, no need to worry about remaining concepts which are present in your project. Your work is to design the database. That's it. Okay. UI designer. Exactly. Your work is just to design the web page. Internal mechanisms, no need to worry about it. Are you understanding the point here, guys? Respond. Okay. Now, UI designer. Now, once when you're speaking about building and deployment team, once everything is completed, you need to deploy. That's it. But, but if, sorry, but if there is a single person, if there is a single person who can write the Java code, who can design his own database, who can design his own UI, just a sec, who can design his own UI, who can build and deploy the project by himself, then that person can proudly call themselves as a Java full stack developer. Java full stack developer. Am I clear with that? Means the responsibility of a Java full stack developer is not limited to a particular module. Your company needs you right from the starting till to the ending of your project. Till to the ending of your project. As simple as this. Now you understand what are the roles and responsibilities of a Java full stack developer? Guys, you need to respond, please. Yes or no? That is great. Online students, kindly please respond in the chat for me, guys. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? Please respond in the chat for me, guys, please. Okay, that is good. That is good. All right. Now, let us try to see what are the concepts which you are supposed to have an idea. Okay, just first, let me just try to save this, please. And don't worry about the notes. I'll let you know what is the process for getting the notes, everything. Don't worry. Just give me a minute time, please. Let me go with like new. Okay, open. Right. What is the today's date, by the way? 10th, right? 10th June 2024. Okay. And of course, this is part one, by the way. Save it. Let me just try to close it and give me a minute time, please. Yes. So if you are like a Java full stack developer, these are the roles and responsibilities which you should be having an idea of. Okay. Now let's try to understand what are the modules which are present in this Java full stack developer course. Okay. Sure. Why not? Let me just try to close it. Take a minute time. Just read everything present in the slide. Just take a minute time, please. Read. Just read. All right. Now, guys, please check here. Please check here. Now, these are just a second. These are all the Java modules which we are supposed to have an idea. Under Java modules, listen, guys, concentrate, concentrate. Under Java, we need to cover core Java, advanced Java, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices. Sir, what is core, advanced, and Spring micro boot? I mean, Spring Boot, microservices, all. I'll let you know. I promise. Wait for it. Wait for it. Okay. Database, Oracle. At least one database, preferably Oracle. Along with Oracle, I strongly advise you to learn MySQL also. Learn Oracle, practice that with MySQL also. Very easy concept. I'll let you know. Wait for it. And these are all UI modules: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, React. Wait. Sir, I have a doubt. You said that HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is enough. No, I said these are mandatory. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, these are mandatory. Along with these, you should be having a knowledge on other UI technologies also, like Bootstrap and React. You know what? When I say React, some people will be asking me, sir, React and Angular, I mean, both are good. So why only React? Yeah, it's a honest question. Guys, honestly speaking, React and Angular, both are good. I mean, sir, what is this React and what is this Angular? These are UI technologies, guys. These are used for UI technologies. Both are having equal advantage, but if you are a Java full stack developer, you will be having little bit edge over React. That is the reason we have given React in our curriculum. I believe you're understanding the point here, guys. Angular is also good, but As a Java developer, we are having more edge than Angular. That is the reason we are giving it as React. All right. You need to respond, guys. And AWS basics means how to deploy a project into the cloud will be let you know. After that, all these are DevOps like Git, GitHub, Jenkins, Docker, Datadog, JUnit, Mockito, JMeter, Maven, Gradle, Zira, SonarQube, SL4J, ELK, Heroku, Chef. These are not medicine names. These are tools. These are tools. You need to learn this last, not right now. Not right now. It may seem huge, but easy. Easy concept, not at all a problem. Am I clear with that? Respond. Now, the very first question that is coming into your mind is uh, how? What do you mean by how? No, how we need to learn all this, how much time it is going to take, who is going to train. Yeah, I understand that. So, you know what? I'm going to give you a roadmap for you to cover all these concepts. A roadmap. Now, one more small question, which generally most of the common people, I mean, most of the first attending students, they'll be having a question that is, sir, I'll do one thing. I'll learn only core Java. Can I get a job? Otherwise, I'll learn core Java, advanced Java. Can I get a job? Okay. Otherwise, I'll learn core Java, advanced Java, and database. Can I get a job? All right. Let me just try to explain that with a visual. Okay. This is the reality. Guys, I'll never bluff my students. I'll say exactly what is the reality. I mean, this video recently circulated a lot. Not right now, almost like 4 to 5 months before only this circulated a lot. The company name is People's Tech. 50 openings are there. 50. 50 openings are there. I have my friends in that company and they told they literally shocked on the day. Those many people came. Freshers, not for experience. So if you are having only core Java knowledge, okay, you are good. You are very good in core Java. You are very good in database. For example, in this crowd, where you will stand. Are you understanding the point here, guys? You need to respond here, please. Right? See, very simple here. For example, there are 10 people who came for an interview. 10 people came. You are very good in core, advanced, and database. Remaining people, they are okay, so, but they are very good in, I mean, they are having knowledge on core, advanced, Spring, Oracle, DevOps, like that. Obviously, I will shift towards them. Are you understanding the point here, guys? I need a person who is capable of performing multiple tasks. Multitasking. I need a person who is capable of performing multitasking. This is entirely what Java full stack developing is. I believe you're getting the point here, guys. Come on. So, if you are asking me this question like, sir, if I'm having only core Java knowledge, can I get it advanced? This is what the video I want to show you, and you can take a chance. You can take your decision by your own. All right. I believe it's clear for online students also, guys. Please respond to me in the chat. Yeah, that is a sad reality. That is a reality. That is the reality. And literally 2,000 people came on the day, 2.5, I guess. They waited under hot sun for getting a chance for the interview. So I believe you are understanding exactly what I'm saying here. Guys, see, one thing I want to say. Promise me your hard work, not simple work, hard work. I can promise you a beautiful career. I know the way. I know the way. I'll show you the way. You just need to travel in that way. If you can do that, whatever the promises which you made before coming to Hyderabad, you made some promises before come to Hyderabad to your parents. All those promises, you can do that. The only thing is hard work. Hard work. Remember that. I'm saying this from my experience. There are no shortcuts for success, only hard work. Anyways, let's get back here. So, as I'm saying, right now, these are all the modules which are present in our Java full stack developer course. So, how we need to learn? What is the roadmap? Yeah, sure. Why not? Okay, let me just try to explain you this. Okay, let me just try to create text document. Let me go like data and open it. Okay, now. So guys, basically I will give you three-phase learning. That is phase one, phase two, and phase three. Three-phase learning. I'm speaking about this entire Java full stack developer course. You need to learn in three phases. In the first phase, try to start with core Java. Parallelly, you can learn Oracle. Parallelly, you can learn UI also. These three courses in the first phase. Sir, how we need to cover? Okay, our core Java timing is morning 9:15 to 11 o'clock. In Naresh IT, classes starts from morning 7 o'clock till night 9:30. Okay, 9:15 you are coming to core Java. 11 o'clock our core Java will be completed. After that, what you will do? Morning 7 to 9, what you will do? After 11 o'clock, what you are going to do? Are you understanding the point here, guys? I advise learn these three courses in the first phase parallelly. For example, morning 7 o'clock Oracle. Let's just for example, I'm saying Oracle. Once Oracle got completed, have breakfast, come to Core Java. Once Core Java got completed, go to your home, practice, go to your hostel, practice, practice. Very, 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 very important. Simply coming to the classes, listening to the classes will not help you. You should practice. Okay, once Core Java got completed, go to your hostel, practice, have your lunch, take a nap, evening, come to UI, learn UI. Like that per day, at least try to plan three courses. Sir, can we handle these three courses? 100% you can handle. In your college, what is your college timing? Morning 9 o'clock to evening 3:30, 4 o'clock, you will be present in your college. Am I right or wrong? Exactly the same thing here also. And whenever you are learning core Java, Oracle, and UI, all these three are not dependent on each other. Core Java is different, Oracle is different, UI is different. But the beauty is all these three concepts, you will use them in advanced Java. Are you understanding the point here, guys? Respond here. So after the first phase got completed, please start learning advanced Java. And in advanced Java, what are the concepts which you learn in core, Oracle, and UI? You need to use these concepts in advanced Java, and advanced Java will be fun to learn if you are having all these concepts. As simple as this. Now, you know what? Some people will be asking me, sir, can I learn core Java and advanced Java parallelly? I strongly advise wait. No. I advise you no. Wait. Why? Because without understanding core, if you are learning advanced Java, it will be like watching Chinese movie with Korean subtitles. You will not understand it clearly. You cannot enjoy the concept. I believe you are understanding exactly what I am saying, right? So after that advanced Java, I mean parallelly along with advanced Java, try to learn Spring also. Okay, now first phase will take 2 months of time. Working days. Working days. First phase. So if you plan it correctly, first phase will take 2 months. After that, you will learn, you will start with second phase. And yes, it also is going to take 2 months. And within 2 months, the spring will not be completed. So again, you need to start with spring. I mean, you need to continue your third phase with spring and DevOps. Spring and DevOps. As simple as this. Now, this is also going to take 2 months of time. So, if you want to complete this entire Java full stack developer course, this is the time frame. Sir, I learn only one course per day. For example, sir, first I'll start learning core Java, only core Java. After completing core Java, I'll go with Oracle. After that, I'll go with UI. Come on, guys, personally, I will not recommend. Why? Because if you are learning like that, it is going to take nearly about 1 year. If you are learning only one course per day, it is going to take literally above 1 year. So I advise you 3 courses per day. Yes, you can absolutely handle. You can handle, believe me, you can handle. As simple as this. Now, the next question is, sir, are you going to teach all these? No, 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 no. If I'm, trust me, so much I want to do that. But if I'm going to train you all these modules, I mean, time will be wasted. I will be having other batches also. So as of now, I'm promising like I will be your core Java trainer. And coming to Oracle, one more trainer will be there with another timing. UI, one more trainer with another timing. For example, just for example, let us think that Oracle is starting by morning 7 o'clock. Within 1 week, let's think that Oracle is starting by morning 7 o'clock. You can join in that batch. No, sir, I'm not comfortable with that time. Okay, wait for 1 week. Another batch, another trainer, another time will start. I hope you are understanding the point here, guys. In Naresh IT, different trainers are there, different timings are there. Which time you are comfortable, go join in that time. Simply what I want to say is, you should not be freely available. You should be busy with the code. Dot. That's it. For example, just for example, next month, no, this month, when Kalki is releasing? This month only, right? Kalki movie, this month. Okay, yeah, Prabhas. Kalki is releasing. Your friend made a call to you and he said, let's go to a movie. Yeah, you will ask, which time? 9 o'clock. No, I have a class. Okay, 11 o'clock. No, I need to practice. 4 o'clock. No, I have a class. Are you understanding the point? Like that, you should be busy. You should search your free time. You should not be free. It's exactly what I want. If you are like that, then your dreams will come true. Am I clear with that? Respond, guys. This is the reality. This is the actual reality. Everyone who is present in this class will be getting placed 100% time. Just time. Some people will be getting placed within 3-4 months. Some people will be getting placed after 1 year. Time. How much hard working you are doing. Just like that. I hope it's clear, guys. Now, one more small question is, when I say this phase, when I say this 3-phase rule, a lot of people will be asking me, sir, are you saying that up to 6 months, we will not be able to attend to the interviews? Not exactly. Not exactly. After completing core Java, Oracle, UI, and advanced Java, with these 4 weapons in your resume, you can start your job hunting. You can start, but parallelly, you should learn Spring and DevOps also. Why? Because up to here, if you are satisfying the interviewer as a fresher, okay, fine. He will be very happy. And you can say that we are learning Spring and still I'm trying to learn. You can go like that. Not at all a problem. Are you understanding the point here, guys? Please respond. So with these 4 weapons, you can start your job hunting, but parallelly, you should learn remaining concepts also. Do you know what? Getting a job as a Java developer is very easy. Yes, it is very easy. Why? Because same questions it is actually repeating. Exactly the same questions. Surviving in the job is hard. So if you want to survive as a Java developer, you are supposed to have remaining concepts also. As simple as it is. So this is the three-phase roadmap for completing this entire Java full stack developer course. In these three phases, core Java timing is morning 9:15 to 11 o'clock. I mean, 10:45 to 11. In that particular time, in between that time, I'll try to end my session. 100% not above 11 o'clock. No, no, no. Why? Because I'm having one more session. Pretty much damn sure. 11 o'clock will be your last time. I hope you're getting the point here, guys. And remaining batches, right now, it's not started. Whenever it started, within 1 week or 2 to 3 days, they are going to start new batches. If they are starting new batches, I'll inform in the class. I'll inform in the class. I hope it's clear, guys. As of now, for core Java, your timing is 9:15 to 11 o'clock. When I say 9:15, don't come by 9:30, 9:25. No, please be here by 9:15 sharp. Right? Okay. Now, online students, up to now, is it clear for everyone? Online students, I want you to kindly please respond and start for me, guys. Up to now. Up to now, is it clear? Please, I want you, please, guys, please check. Please check. Please check. Go ahead, Shruti. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Message me in the chat for me, please. Right. Now, guys, UI Oracle up to now, as of now, it's not started. It's not started. UI and Oracle, once they started within 2 to 3 days, I will update you in the class. I'll update in the class regarding timing. Kindly please wait for it. Kindly please wait for the timings for Oracle and UI. Okay. Now, this session is both for online and offline. What are the timing offline students are having? Exactly the same timing for online. Exactly the same timing. Is that clear, guys? Shruti, is that clear, Amma? Same timing, exactly the same timing. Okay. And who is going to teach other modules like Advanced Java, Spring, DevOps? As I said, different trainers are there, different timings are there. Which trainer you are comfortable, you can go and join with the classes. Dot. Okay, guys. Now, let us start with our core Java classes. Sure. Core Java. Okay. Let's start with core Java. Just a sec. Okay. Yeah, Ashish, once the class got completed, you can ask me. Okay. Right. Now, guys, how many of you are from non-IT background? Please raise your hands. Non-IT. Feel free. Feel free. No issues. Raise properly, please. Down. How many are from IT background? Remaining. Please raise. Most. Okay. Down. Guys, listen to this. If you are IT background or non-IT background, does not matter. If you are having a knowledge on C and C++, very good. If you are not having any knowledge on C and C++, that is actually better. Why? Because I'm going to start training you right from the scratch, from today onwards, right from the scratch. IT, non-IT, that literally does not matter. Having a knowledge on C and C++, good. Does not have any knowledge on C and C++, better. I'm going to train you right from the scratch. Okay. My main target is 5 days. I'm not going to keep months of target, just 5 days. 5 days means by Saturday, this Saturday, by coming Saturday, we should be able to write 40 to 50 lines of code. Coming Saturday. Today is Monday, by the way. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. By this Saturday, we should be able to write 40 to 50 lines of code. And that is absolutely possible. The only thing is you should not miss a single session also. You should not miss a single class also. Yes, you may have a lot of doubts. Like a lot of people will be saying that sir, Java is an ocean. Like it's very hard to learn. Can we understand Java? Can we survive Java? Okay, I know you are having those questions. I'm not going to simply say yes or no for that. I will ask you the same question on Saturday. Are you understanding the point? Come on. I'm going to ask you exactly the same question. Can you survive in Java? Saturday, I'll ask you. And if your answer is yes, continue. If your answer is no, then take any other decision. But the thing is, you should not miss a single class also. I know it is rainy season, heavy rain came, floods came, anything came, class will be there. Class will be there. I'll keep a class. You should not miss a single session up to 1 week. And then you can take a decision. Am I clear with that? Respond. So our target is within this week, we should be able to write 40 to 50 lines of code. More than 50 also. We'll check that. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. All right. So again, there are no conditions. Only one thing is you should not miss a single class also. Why I'm saying this is every class will be connected with our previous sessions. Tomorrow's class will be connected by today's session. Day after tomorrow's class will be connected with Tuesday's session. And yes, I know as this is a demo class, a lot of people directly came to listen. I understand. But from tomorrow onwards, please make sure to bring a white pages book. Why? Because you need to write the running notes. You need to write the programs. So programs from tomorrow, not exactly tomorrow, maybe by Wednesday or Thursday, we will start writing programs also. Wednesday or Thursday. I hope you're understanding the point here. So one more time I'm saying, from tomorrow onwards, please make sure to bring the notes. All right. Okay. So guys, my name is Kishan and I will be your core Java trainer for coming 60 to 65 working days. Right now, our short-term goal, right now, our short-term goal is by Saturday, we should be able to write how many lines of code? You need to respond here. 40 to 50 lines of code. Okay. Shall we start with our core Java classes? Let's go. Let's go. Okay. All right. Now, let me just try to get back here. Okay. Guys, please listen to me. In Java, just a second. Let me. Okay. Come on. Okay. Sure. Right. In Java, there are three. In Java, there are three basic Java programming elements. Elements are there. Okay. In Java, there are three basic Java programming elements are there. Okay. What are those? First one is class. Okay. Class. Second one is interface. INTERFAC. Interface. Okay. And third one is enum. Sure. Class, interface, and an enum. Right. Sir, I have a doubt. Yeah, I know what is your doubt. No, sir. My question is, what is a class? No, sir. Not that is my question. My question is, what are these basic Java programming elements? What do you mean by basic Java programming elements? Fair question. Okay, let me ask you this, guys. In cricket, let's go with cricket. I want to play cricket. What are the basic apparatus which we need? Basic apparatus. Bat and a ball. Come on. Without bat and a ball, we cannot imagine cricket. Am I right or wrong? Respond. Just like that, exactly like that. In Java, if we want to write any code in Java, we need to take the help of either class or an interface or an enum. Without using class, interface, or enum, we cannot write any code in Java. Okay, so wait. You are saying that in order to write any code in Java, we need to take class, interface, and enum? Yes. That is the only reason. These are the basic Java programming elements. Okay, okay. But wait, what is a class? What is an interface? What is an enum? When we need to use class, when we need to use interface, and when we need to use enum, you know what? Basically, when you say a bat and a ball, I'm getting an image in my mind. Yes or no? Yep. Come on. You need to respond, guys, please. You need to respond. When I say bat, you are getting an image in your mind. Bat image. Are you getting that? When I say ball, you are getting an image in your mind. But when I say class, I mean, come on. We are not getting any image in our mind. We are unable to imagine what is a class, what is an interface, and what is an enum. Yeah, fair point. Fair point. I understand that. By the end of our today's session, you will be able to imagine what is a class, what is an interface, and what is an enum. But as of now, let me ask you this question. How many basic Java programming elements are there? Please tell me, guys, everyone, how many basic Java programming elements are there? What are those? Class, interface, and enum. Guys, I will ask you a question multiple times. Please feel free to answer. Don't think like what others will think. No, guys, you came here to learn. I'll ask you a question 10 times. If you are getting the same question in the interview, you will be getting a smile on your face. I want that. So please, it's okay. Please answer. Tell me, how many basic Java programming elements are there? What are those? Class, interface, enum. But as of now, we don't know what is a class. We don't know what is an interface, and we cannot imagine what is an enum. We don't know what is the use of a class, what is the use of an interface, and what is the use of an enum. Yeah, of course, I did not explain. I'll let you know. But as of now, there are three basic Java programming elements: class, interface, and an enum. Okay, now let me get back here. Right. Guys, I'm going to write a small sentence, just a small sentence. Let me just try to write like this. I love India. Now, please tell me, eyes on the board. Ma? Eyes on the board. Now tell me, guys, is this right or wrong? Just tell me right or wrong. Wrong. Why? Okay, we need to give space. Now, is it right or wrong? Wrong. Why? Exactly. Come on. We need to give capital letter. India, it's a noun. Capital letter, and we need to end our sentence with a full stop. Now please tell me, guys, is it right or wrong? Come on, guys. How you are saying this is right? Sir, come on. This is right because you are following the grammar. Yeah, of course, we are following the grammar, and that is the only reason you are saying this is correct. What do you mean by grammar? Grammar means something like rules which we need to follow. Okay. Guys, listen to me very clearly. Please listen. Listen. English language. For English, we are having some rules known as grammar. Java language. For Java also, we are having some rules known as syntax. What is the word? Respond. Now, what do you mean by syntax? Syntax means some set of rules which we need to follow whenever we are writing the code. If you are not following the syntax, we will be getting an error. Dot. Let me just try to get back here. First, I'm going to write syntax. Okay. Syntax. Right. Now, what do you mean by syntax? Syntax means some set of rules which we need to follow whenever we are writing the code. If we are not following the syntax, we will be getting an error. Am I clear with that? Come on, guys. So let's get back to this one more time. Okay. What do you mean by syntax? Syntax means some set of rules. Okay. Some set of rules which we need to follow whenever we are writing the code. And if we are not following syntax, we will be getting an error. English will have grammar. Java will have syntax. Am I clear with that? Okay. Okay. Now, guys, please tell me how many basic Java programming elements are there? Respond. What are those? Interface, enum. Now, I want to write a class. Sir, what is a class? Okay, leave that. What is a class? Leave that. Now, I'll explain you. I promise. I'll explain you. Right now, I want to write a class. No, I want to imagine a class. Okay. If I want to write a class, I should be knowing its absolutely perfect. If I want to write a class, I should be knowing its syntax. And you know what do you mean by syntax? Syntax means nothing but some set of rules. Are you understanding the point here, guys? Come on. Now, please tell me, how many basic Java programming elements are there? What are those? If we want to write a class, we should be knowing its. If we want to write an interface, we should be knowing its. And if you want to write an enum also, we should be knowing its syntax. Now, let me ask this. Do you know the syntax of a class? Yes or no? Tell me, feel free. No. Ask me. No, ask me. Ask me, give me a question. Please ask me. What is the syntax of a... Boys, what happened here? Come on, one more time. Everyone, ask me a question. Come on. What is the syntax of a... This is the question which you will be getting in your interview. Please don't underestimate the power of not common man, syntax. Okay, syntaxes plays very crucial role. So right now our question is, what is the syntax of a class? Okay, before understanding what is the syntax of a class, you already know what do you mean by syntax. Yes or no? Could you please tell me what do you mean by syntax? Come on. Some set of rules which we need to follow whenever we are writing the code. If we not follow syntax, we'll be just getting an error. Now, let's try to find out what is the syntax of a class. Okay. Now, do you know what? Before understanding the syntax of a class, let me just try to remove this. Okay. I have a small question. Before understanding the syntax of a class, I believe everyone traveled through trains. Train journey. Okay. Now I'm going to write. Okay. And sleeper class and general compartment. First AC, second AC, third AC, sleeper class, general compartment. Okay. I'm having third AC ticket. I'm having third AC ticket. Can I go and sit in first AC? Respond. Why? Just tell me why. Whatever you think, tell me why. Exactly, sir. You are having third AC ticket, and how can you go and sit in first AC? No, your access is restricted only to third AC compartment. Am I right or wrong? You need to respond. For example, if I'm having a sleeper class ticket, I cannot go and sit in third AC. Why? My access is concentrate. Please concentrate. My access, if I'm having a sleeper class ticket, I cannot, literally, I cannot go and sit in any other, I mean, third AC, second AC, first AC. Why? Because my access is restricted only to that compartment. Tell me some more examples like this. Come on. Any real time example, just like this. Louder. Absolutely perfect. Movie tickets. I'm not speaking about multiplex. I'm speaking about normal movie theater. We'll be having 150, 150 rupees ticket. Okay, I'll take 50 rupees ticket. Can we go and sit in 100? Can we go and sit in 150? Our access is restricted only to that particular block. Are you understanding the point here, guys? Just like this, in temples also there will be like tickets kind of thing. Come on. Okay, let me make it simple. Your hostel, your hostels, your rooms. I'm going to say some scenarios. In your hostel, there are, let's go like 10 rooms are there. 10 rooms. In your room, 4 members are there. Other room members cannot come to your room. Am I right or wrong? I mean, their access is restricted. Only your room members can access your room. Okay, that is case one. Case two. Other hostel members cannot come into your hostel. I hope you're understanding the point there. Come on. These are, I mean, why you are keeping all this? Come on, sir. Privacy, security. Just like this, exactly like this, in Java also, we are having a concept known as access modifiers. Access modifiers. So, what is the use of these access modifiers? Just let me try to write access modifiers. Access modifiers. Okay. Access modifiers. So, what is the use of these access modifiers? Access modifiers provides access restrictions which will enhance the data security. Access modifiers provides provides access restrictions which will enhance the data security. Okay, which will enhance the data security. In Java, we are having 4 access modifiers. 4. In Java, we are having 4 access modifiers. What are those? Public, just a second. Let me try to, okay. And yeah, now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 access modifiers are there. What are those? Public, private, private, protected, protected, and package private, private, which is actually most commonly known as default. Yeah, sure. So we are having 4 access modifiers in Java. 4. Okay, let me just try to get it back here. Now, guys, I did not explain to you what is the scope of public, what is the scope of private, when we need to use public, when we need to use private. I did not explain you that. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Guys, are you understanding? Please respond. Okay, I will let you know what is the scope of this public. Not right now. Wait for it. As of now, what we know. Please tell me how many basic Java programming elements are there? Come on. What are those? If you want to write a class, we should be knowing it, sir. What do you mean by syntax? Just go with the flow. What do you know by what do you mean by syntax? A syntax means some set of rules. Enough, more than enough. One more time. What do you mean by syntax? Just some set of rules which you need to follow whenever we are writing the code. If you are not following syntax, we will be getting an okay. By the way, what do you mean by access modifier? Access modifier. Could you please tell me what do you mean by access modifier? Use your own words. No need to say exactly what I said. Did you understand what is the use of an access modifier and what they will do? Tell me, guys. What they will do, tell me, just tell me what they will do. Sir, they will provide access restrictions. Why? Why they will provide access restrictions? Security, that's it. To enhance the data security. How many access modifiers are there? Come on. What are those? Package private, which is most commonly known as. Now, again, up to now, I did not explain you anything about what is public, private, protected. I will let you know. Wait for it. Wait. Okay. Now, guys, please tell me if we want to write a class, I repeat, if we want to write a class, we should be knowing it's a. Come on. Now, shall we see the syntax of a class? Come on. Let's go. Let's try to find out the syntax of a class. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Now here, let me just try to keep it like this. Okay. And I'll get them a little bit down. Okay. Now I want to give you the syntax of a class. Sure. Give me a minute, please. Please don't mind. Just a second. Interface and an enum. Okay. Now I want to give the syntax of a class. Sure. So if you want to write a class, guys, eyes on the board, please. Eyes on the board. First, we need to write access modifier. Oh, wait, we already know access modifier. How many access modifiers are there? What is the use of this? To provide access restriction. I mean, to provide security. Enough. Guys, are you getting the point there? Okay, first we need to write access modifier. After that, we need to write class. After that, we need to write a class name and then open braces and close braces. Inside that, what we can write, we'll discuss that later. Wait for it. Wait for it. Okay. Now, this is the syntax of a class. Sir, okay. I know access modifier. And you know how many are there? Come on. But what is this class, guys? It is a keyword. Class is a keyword. In Java, nearly there are 50 Java language keywords are there. Concentrate. Please concentrate. In Java, nearly there are 50 Java language keywords are there. Every Java language keyword always starts with a small letter. Small letter. Java is case sensitive. If you are giving capital letter, you will be getting an error. Are you understanding the point here, guys? Okay. Now, this is the example. I mean, this is the syntax of a class. Sure. Could you please look at the syntax of a class and give me the example, guys? Give me the example. You can do this. Come on, give me the example. Okay. Please tell me, guys, do you know the syntax of a class? Yes or no? Yes or no? Come on. First, what we need to write? How many are there? Tell me one, just one. Okay, public. After that, what we should write? Class. Can I write like this? Why? It is a keyword. I mean, class is a keyword. Okay, I'll go with like this. Can I write like this? I'll be getting an error. I mean, come on. It's a keyword. We should start with a small letter. After that, what I should write? I'm sorry, what? Just let me try to go like, for example, okay, demo. and open braces and close braces. This is your first example of a class. Tell me, how many basic Java programming elements are there? What are those? Can you imagine a class right now? Yes or no? Why? How? Because you know it's absolutely perfect. Could you please tell me what is the syntax of a class? Access modifier, class, class name, open braces and close braces. That is very good. Now, could you please help me with the syntax of an interface also? You tell me, I'll write the code. Tell me. Come on, tell me. First, what we need to write? MODIFIR, access modifier. After that, we need to write interface, INTERFACE interface. After that, INTERFACE interface name. Just a second, give me a minute time. Interface name, and then open braces and close braces. This is the syntax of an interface. Inside interface, we can write some data. We'll discuss that later. Okay, now, yeah, sure. Just a second. Let me try to make it a little bit like this. Okay, now, please tell me, give me an example for interface. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Public class. What I need to write? Can I write capital I? Why? Because it is a keyword. It's a keyword. It's a keyword. Okay. INTERFACE interface. After that interface name, just let me go with the FIRST first. INTERFACE first interface, open braces and close braces. This is the example of an interface. Okay, why don't we just go with the example, syntax and example of an enum also. Sure. Let me just try to get it like this. Okay, please tell me guys, first what we need to write? First, we need to write access modifier. Just a second. Access modifier. Okay, access modifier. Okay, after that, what I should write? Enum. After that, what I should write? You need to respond. Enum name, enum. Okay, just a second. We need to write enum name and then open braces and close braces. This is the syntax of an enum, and inside this, just a second. Let me inside enum also we can write some data, and please help me with the example of an enum also. Let's go with, come on, continue. Public enum. Oh, sorry, enum. Can I write like this? Why? Because it is a keyword. Enum. After that, I'll go with enum name and open braces and close braces, just like this. And this is an example of enum. Let me just try to get it back like this. Okay. And save it. Give me a minute time. This is part 2. Sure. Part 2. Save it. Now, please tell me, how many basic Java programming elements are there? How many? What are those? If we want to write a class, we should be knowing it, sir. And do you know what do you mean by syntax? Just some set of rules which we need to follow whenever we are writing the code. If you're not following syntax, we'll be getting an. Okay, how many access modifiers are there? What are those? Package private. Yes, up to now, I did not explain anything about what is public, what is private, what is protected, when we need to use default. I did not explain. You just know only their names. Only their names. I'll explain you what is their scope later, not right now. Kindly please wait for it. So please tell me, if you want to write a class, we should be knowing it, sir. If you want to write an interface, we should be knowing it, sir. And do you know the syntax of a class? Tell me. First, what we need to write. Just tell me yes or no. Do you know the syntax of a class? First, what we need to write? I'm sorry, what? Access modifier. After that, what is that class? Nearly how many Java language keywords are there? Come on. And every Java language keyword always starts with a. Why? Because Java is. Please tell me one more time. What is the syntax of a class? First, access modifier. After that, after that, after that. Tell me, open braces and guys, if you say access modifier class name, no, you are wrong. You are wrong. You need to say the syntax completely. One more time. What is the syntax of a class? Access modifier, class name, open braces and 12. Inside that open braces and close braces, what we can write, we will discuss that tomorrow. Wait for it. Wait for it. Up to now, is it clear for everyone? Respond. So when we need to use class, when we need to use interface, and when we need to use enum also, we'll discuss that tomorrow. Wait for it. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Online students, kindly please respond. Up to now, is it clear for everyone? Online students, please respond, guys. Up to now, is it clear for everyone? That is amazing. That is actually very good. That is actually very good. So, guys, tomorrow, we will discuss about what is a class, what is an interface, what is an enum, when we need to use class, when we need to take interface, and when we need to take enum. Tomorrow, we will be discussing those concepts. Wait for it. No, be excited for tomorrow. Be excited for tomorrow. Now, guys, one more thing is, tomorrow, I'm going to give you a scanner, QR code scanner. If you scan that scanner, you will be redirected to a Google Drive. You will be redirected to Google Drive. In that Google Drive, today, no, till the end of our demo classes, every class video will be updated. For example, today we are going, up to now that Google Drive is not yet created. Once we created, we will update every day demo classes videos along with the notes. It will be there. Am I clear with that? Respond. Tomorrow, I'm going to give you the drive. Kindly please wait for it. And no need to go with this data. No need to write this. You should write the programs. I'll say what you need to write. I'll say. I hope it's clear, guys. So, online students, wait for it. See, these are another questions. Up to now, if it is clear enough, please tell me. Up to now, is it clear? Tell me. Up to now, is it clear, Divya? Oh, please tell me, guys. Yeah, enough. Up to now, if it is clear, enough. What is the difference between class, interface, enum? You'll understand the difference once we learn what we need to do. When we need to take class, when we need to take interface, and when we need to take enum. You'll understand. Wait for it. My question is, up to now, is it clear or not? Enough. And are you comfortable with the way which I'm explaining? Is my accent okay for you? Online students, please respond in the chat for me, guys. Please respond in the chat for me. Online students, please respond. Perfect. That is perfect. So, guys, tomorrow, we'll be discussing about, as I said, why we need, when we need to take class, when we need to take interface, and when we need to take enum. Don't forget our short-term goal. What is that? By Saturday, we should be able to write 40 to 50 lines of code. And I promise, if you miss the class, you will miss the concept. That is damn sure. If you miss the class, you will miss the concept. Every day, our classes will start by 9:15 to 10:45 to 11. In that particular time, I'll try to end our sessions. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. And tomorrow, I'll be giving you that drive. I'll be giving you that Google Drive. In that, you will be having our today's, tomorrow's, coming days recording also. It will be updated. Everyday notes. For example, this notes also I will update in the drive. Tomorrow I'll show you guys. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. I am done for today. Offline students, if you are having any questions, if you want to ask, I mean, speak with me, kindly please wait for few more minutes. Otherwise, you can leave. Let me answer my online students' queries first. All right. Dot. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Thank you. Yeah. Online students, guys, online students, first, up to now, is it clear for everyone? Please tell me. I'll give you time for your questions. Just please tell me. Up to now. Up to now, is it clear? I'll give you time for your questions. Please wait. I'll give you time for your questions. Please wait. That is good. That is good. Okay. That is good. Now, guys, feel free to ask me your questions and don't repeat the question. Don't repeat the question. I will respond for all the questions. Please don't repeat the question. Continue. Ask. Give me your question, guys. From now onwards, online students, please give me your questions. Go ahead. Go ahead. As of now, no. Venkat Sai, as of now, no. Kishore will be going with Java 17 and we'll try to discuss about the features of Java 21 also. Okay, Kishore? That is good. That is good. All right. And guys, please don't think like these are demo classes. My sessions, demo classes plays actually very, very crucial role. You consider that we already started. Okay. Oh, fees, I did not. Oh, I forgot to mention Pawan. Pawan, I'll let you know fees by tomorrow. Okay. I'll let you know fees by tomorrow. Should I learn Oracle and MySQL together? Yeah, it's better. Interface is linked with multiple. Yes, 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 Sandhya. Yes, that's different scenario. Yes. Yeah, sure, Nikhil. No problem. No problem. Maheshwari, that will be coming under advanced Java, not right now. Uh, Venkat Sai, yes. That is completely a separate scenario. You need to take one more separate course for that. Okay. We'll discuss the concepts, but not in detail. You should be learning separate course for that. Shanmukh, only core Java. As of now, only core Java. You cannot come from tomorrow. After, see, until 1 week, you can join online, no problem. As soon as possible, come to offline. Rahul, that depends upon how much practicing you are doing. Yeah, you can do that. Practice, practice. Okay. Right. And Sainath, I told you only core Java is not sufficient. Yeah, yeah, Shruti. It will be there. We'll be conducting an exam also. You can do that. You can do that. I strongly advise offline would be better. So as I said, guys, 9:15 to 11 o'clock, our classes will be 9:15 to 11, means 10:45 to 11. In that particular time, I'm going to end our sessions. Pawan, where offline class is going on, come to Naresh IT office. They will let you know. They'll let you know. Okay. Depends, Isha. That depends, right? Yes, yes. I'll give you the tasks. Venkat, I will give you the tasks. I'll give you the task. But if you want to go with lead code or hacker rank only with core Java, you cannot do that. You should be having a knowledge on UI and database also, right? Certificate will be given. Both, Rahul, it is both. Online and offline is there, but I advise you, if there is a possible, you can come to offline. I'll give you the tasks, Kishore. I will. Okay. Revant, NASCOM certification will be provided to you only after clearing the exam, which is conducted by NASCOM people. All right. Right. No, up to now, Oracle and HTML not started. When it started, I'll let you know. Shruti, right now you're not seeing me, you're listening to the concepts. Offline, you can see me. That's it. Regarding software installation, also I'll let you know. Not right now. Wait for it. Wait for it. I told you, Harsha, you can do that. Jashwal, again, I'll deal as of now, I'll deal only with core Java. Okay. Right. Right, guys. I believe all the questions, remaining questions are getting repeated. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. Guys, a lot of people, I mean, some people are asking me the questions which I already covered. So I strongly advise if you joined lately, please try to go with the recording, today's recording. I'll update it. I'll update it. Okay. And your doubts will be cleared. Right, guys? Rambabu, that's then this will not be helpful for you. As I said, if you are working, then you need to check with your availability. You need to check with the availability. Okay. Right. Nikhil, you're asking, sir, any live project? Nikhil, what do you mean by live project? What do you mean by live project? Any idea? No, right? So wait for it. Of course, Shrikant, you can take it. You can take it. No problem. No problem, Aditya. No issues. No issues. Nikhil, you will develop a project by in the class, but that project will not be helpful for you to keep that in your resume. Okay. Live project means real-time projects. You know, it is going to take 4 to 5 years of time here. Don't expect that. Okay. You will understand the concept, right? Right. All right, guys. So I believe you enjoyed our today's sessions, guys. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.